Every WebSocket application has both a server side and a client side that you need to handle. Let's start with the server side. In server.js, we'll start by creating our WebSocket server. And we'll do so using this WS package, which we've already imported for you. Specifically, we're going to use the WebSocket.Server class to instantiate our WebSocket server. And we'll do so down here in this WS logic section. To use the WebSocket.Server class, we'll first declare a new variable, which we'll call WSServer. And we can assign to it a new instance of the WebSocket.Server class. This constructor function accepts an object of options. There are many various values that you can pass in this object. However, we are going to use a pre-made HTTP server to create our WebSocket connection. To do so, we simply need to pass in an HTTP server instance to a server key. In this case, the name of the HTTP server instance is also called server. So we could write it like this, or using ES6's smart object naming system, we can just pass in the variable server. At this point, we won't see any changes in our application's behavior until we create our WebSocket client connection. In the next exercise, we'll do just that.